This is just a short video with the lake in the background, and you can see over there's some storms on the other side of the lake. All right, yesterday we had 1.01 inches of rain. Today already we've had 0.12. The month of August we had 14.97 inches of rain, which is a record month ever here in Mexico. The largest amount of rain ever. And that's very, very good. And that's what the lake looks like over there. I'm going to zoom in on it. I can't. You can see the boats out there. I'll get side of me. You can see the boats out there. See, they've moved the docks over on this side. Uh-oh, no good.